In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome. Background Bruckstein, Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded and you are on the main Chrome window. If needed, open a new tab so you can clearly see the standard Chrome start page. Once Chrome is open, look toward the lower right area of the new tab page for the Customize Chrome option. Click on Customize Chrome to open the customization panel. This is where Chrome lets you adjust the appearance of your browser, including themes, colors, and background options. After the panel opens, select the option to change the theme. This will take you to the section where you can browse different visual styles for Chrome. Themes can change the look of the browser interface and, depending on the option you choose, may also affect the background appearance on the new tab page. Take a moment to look through the available choices and pick the one that matches the style you want. Some users prefer a clean and simple design, while others like something more colorful or more visually detailed. As you make your selection, pay attention to how the preview looks. This can help you decide if the theme fits the appearance you want before you continue using the browser. Once you have selected your theme, your Chrome background and overall appearance will update based on that choice. At that point, you are all set. That covers everything you need to know.